These are 30 push-up variations that helped me rebuild strength after shoulder surgery. Oof. Yikes. Whether you're recovering from an injury or just need somewhere to start, follow this list and let me know how it goes. It's about to get hard now. If you've watched this far, you're probably wondering what number 30 is. And number 30 is actually one of the easier push-ups that I've shown in this video, but probably helped me the most. So that's why I saved it for last, for those who probably skipped to the end. This push-up is called the elbow push-up, and it really helped me because I wasn't able to bend and straighten my arm normally after surgery. So I did this push-up, and after a week, I felt pretty normal. And so I kept it in my training program, and it's been in ever since. If you have trouble bending and straightening your arm in exercises, then this push-up is for you.